You will never know programming if you think it's because you're dumb. You think the reason why you're unable to code is because you don't know math or because you're only doing it to make money and don't have passion for it. But you're wrong. Programming is hard. It's like if you're trying to solve a Rubik's Cube, you don't pick it up and magically make the size correct in an instant. There's a lot of tweaks and turns you need to make that requires you to think way ahead for you to be able to figure it out. But programming is somewhat similar because it requires you to think ahead as well and solve a problem. Instead of just trying to build the next Twitter, try to think about solving a problem and break that down, like trying to add two numbers up with code. It will make a lot more sense that way. Don't try to fly when you can't even crawl. Learn the basics like logging to a console or adding a number, then work your way up instead of trying to build a super app, then having to figure out how to center a div. That way, you can feel like you're progressing and won't always think you're the one who's dumb. Thank you for watching, and this is the Developer's Flow.